everyone. My name is Laura and I'm from the Queen of Mirth. And today I'm going to be showing you a junk journal that I made using a kit from my Etsy store. Let me just undo the closure here, which, since I'm on the closure, I may as well tell you about it. It's actually a strip from an old dress that I had. It was made in India, not silk. It's cotton, 100% cotton, and it was kind of a tie-dyed sort of thing, and a summer dress, but I don't wear it, so I have sacrificed it, or it has given itself up for a new life in art. Now, this journal is called Tattered Birds, and here I've put some antique lace, and this cover actually is the cover that comes with the journal, and right here it says Tattered Birds, but for some reason I decided to cover it up with this picture of these birds on a branch. I'm just going to take you on a walk through or a flip through of it. It has the kit has all the envelopes that are in here are in the kit, and the pages as well, except I've added some junk journal type pages, and I've added things like this magazine image. This is a little file folder that is part of the kit. See, there are the birds on the branch. I think they're very sweet. And these are things I had already, or things from other kits or whatever. But I just stuck them in here. This is a quote from a magazine, and I cut it out. It says, "The luminous birds, goldfinches and orioles, were gone or going, leaving some of their gold behind in near gold, off gold, ultra golden beeches, birches, maples, apples." And that's from a poem by someone named Robert Francis. There's all kinds of treasures in here. I just love it. And this is something else that I added. Obviously, it couldn't be in a digital kit. And it's I think it's a sandwich bag or something. And I bought a box of them because I thought they were nice. They're made out of wax paper. And this is another file folder that is in the kit. And this is part of the ephemera from the kit. It says the Robin Redbreast. And this is just a bingo card that I had hanging around. I really am happy to be able to share this with you. So these pages are all the pages that are actually in the kit itself. And like this is part of the ephemera from the kit. And I'm not sure about this one. I can't remember. So, and this is a little paper clip that I have an old earring dangling from, because I think I lost the other earring or something, or I don't wear them or whatever. Anyway, it has a new life. So this is also just a piece of vellum that has a pattern or something on it that I threw in the book. And these are all the pages. And I've cut out another quotation, and this is part of the page actually. I think I didn't glue that down, so it's part of the page. This is a corner pocket that's in the kit, and this is an image from the kit, and these are journaling cards that are found in the kit, and they're 4 inches by 6 inches, which is my favorite size for journaling cards because it gives you enough space to write something. Okay, these little pockets are in the kit, and this one I put some real feathers in, and this one has some canceled postage from Madagascar. Pretty nice. And this has a little feather. This is just another little feather. But I like it because it pokes up. This is a journaling card. And yeah, I think I just rounded the corners. Oh, and all the pages in this journal I have torn by hand all around instead of cutting them. I actually like the torn look for this because it's called Tattered Birds. And if you hear noise, it's my assistant, Leroy, who is on the sofa. I'm sitting on my sofa. This is my coffee table. It's the only place where I can actually film videos. And the dog is behind me. So this is where this is a 3-hole pamphlet stitch. And this is waxed linen thread. And I did a bow tie and made the thread end in the center of the journal. Leroy, do you want to help me? Do you want to help me make the video? You have to be quiet. Yeah, being quiet would be helpful. Because you're such a good boy. So this is another journaling card. I don't think this is with the kit, but I may be wrong. I'll put a link to the kit if you're interested down below. And you can, if you're interested, you can go over and take a look at it. There are a lot of pages. And this is another little envelope that is in the kit for sure. Some more lace. It's so pretty, isn't it? It kind of goes with the idea of tattered birds. The birds aren't exactly tattered, but the art is. So that. And then I think that I just had this image and I like her. And this is another kind of vintage lace. And I like the way it pokes out. Now this is just a pocket that I made with pages. And this is simply, I think, wrapping paper maybe. And then this is, I don't know, I cut it out from something. It's not cardstock, so it's not scrapbooking paper. I think it must have been from a magazine. Anyway, this is one of the tags that is in the kit. And it's a nice big size so you can, a person can actually write on the back of it. And here. And this is the belly band, just from a piece of graph paper, or antique graph paper of some kind that I photocopied. I don't think that's in the kit. And then this is the other side of that bag. And I simply, well, after I bound it in, I just cut off a corner of it to make it kind of pocket. And then this is in the kit, and this is in the kit. And this is an envelope. A bird, and then this is simply to do some journaling on. And And that's it. So, thank you very much for being with me today. And I do hope to see you again soon, or for you to see me again soon, at least. Like I said, this particular junk journal is found in my Etsy store. And if you are interested, I will put a link to it down below. And as with all of my journaling kits, I really like it when people make it their own by adding other things, putting things that they have in their own stashes in the books, and organizing the books in different ways. It makes me really happy when people can actually express themselves through the things that I can thankfully provide. And here is Leroy. He's here to say goodbye to you. And he says, please subscribe to our channel. If you like the video, press the like button. And goodbye. We'll shake a paw till next time.